How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, you need to go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the icon beside the three horizontal bars. This is the viewer history page. Here, you will get to see all the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. They can also see if you viewed their profile. Following these steps, you can easily see who viewed your TikTok profile. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.